Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to kick inactive members from your Discord server. Follow these easy steps to find inactive members and kick them out from your server. Go ahead and launch your Discord server. Once you are in your server, click on your server name and click on server settings. Once you are in your server settings page here, scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on members, and here you will get your server member list. Now to find out inactive member, click on this prune, and now here you can select last seen more than 7 days ago, or you can select last seen more than 30 days ago. Also include members with these rules. You can also select any members from here. Pruning will kick members who have not been seen on Discord in 30 days and are not assigned to any roles. They can rejoin the server using a new invite. Once you've selected more than 7 days ago or more than 30 days ago, here you will get the list of members those are inactive. Now to remove or kick them from your server, just click on prune and all of your inactive members will be kicked from your server. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.